Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can create a free website using business.site option on Google. So for this you need a account with Gmail, and you can just see here I am opening business.site, and herein you need to log in with your Gmail ID, and herein you can just enter your domain name or business name, whatever you want. For example, I want this name. Actually I want Delhi real estate, and I have a because I have a real estate business. So I will just create a free website for my real estate business in particular Delhi location, and just need to click on next. So I will go for this particular location only, select appropriate options. I would suggest you to add your location as well, because it is very important for your business, and input all details like I'm in this city Delhi, so input this information and follow this step by step information. And I want customer from this location only, so I will click on no. Input all your necessary information to complete this process. Include your number as well if you have any. The thing is that you can change your details later on as well. This option as provide customization option as well. You can change theme, address, contact details, everything using this Google site option. So business site is very convenient. Click on next after inputting your contact details. Now it's finished. First time you will be prompted with certain things. You can just follow the instructions. So herein you can see the in left side and right side all options are available for the customization process. You can customize your website accordingly. These are the options you can see. Paid version is also available, but you can go for free version if you want to use it free for a lifetime. But for this you will get business.site extension at the end of your domain. And if you want second level domain, you need to go for a paid version. So herein you can see this is the customization page. You can change anything you want. You can change theme, you can change content, and you can see I am just now, this is my URL, Delhi state real estate .business.site. so you can click here, call, direction, all options are available. You can add it, remove it, and customize it. You can even change this photo. This option is also available. This map is also showing. This is a Google map, so you can see address, contact details, everything is mentioned. It's a beautiful one-page site, and it's totally free. You can change theme from here. You can pick any one of them as per your desire, like I'm doing it. I'm changing the theme. You will be prompted to save, and you need to save everything accordingly. Like here I'm prompted to got a prompt to save. I will just save it, and my theme will be changed. You can hear add text here. You can change its content, like this thing I'm just changing here. This you can change the call option as well. There's so many easy to use customization options are available. You can add a title, description as well for your SEO purpose, and these all customization are options available for anyone who don't have technical knowledge. In websites you need coding requirements to make changes, but here anybody can do it. Anybody who have little computer knowledge can create his website, and it's free of cost by Google. You can see you can just input the title and description over here. This is an easy process. In case any problem you face, just comment below and subscribe to my channel to get latest information. I will try to solve your each and every query. You can see bold, underline, italic, all options are there. You can change photo as well from this option. You can get any of the photo of your business or your one, any one you want. You can change it. You can see description changed and content also changed in title, so it's very convenient to change. And I would suggest you to add the correct address and correct phone number so that your customers are easily able to do it. So this is the process which is very easy, and in case you face any problem, just let me know. And that is for today, and I would say if you face any problem, just let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care, friends.